Meaning of hieroglyphics.
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 Hieroglyphics. Hieroglyphics are a form of writing that was used by the ancient Egyptians. The word hieroglyphics comes from the Greek words hieros, meaning sacred, and glyphian, meaning to carve or write. Hieroglyphics were usually written on walls, columns, and papyrus using special tools like reed brushes and ink. They are composed of a combination of pictures, symbols, and signs that represent different words and concepts. Hieroglyphics played a crucial role in preserving the history and culture of ancient Egypt, and they continue to intrigue and fascinate people around the world today.